Hi, Salam Alaikum, Ahlan wa Sahlan. Dear friends, Rumi here. I hope you all are doing good out there. Today, I'm at Rayyan Mandi. This restaurant is in Wakrah. Really amazing sitting arrangement. What I love about the Arabian food is the uniqueness and the taste. Doha, I talk about the capital of Qatar, Doha, has a lot for the visit. Whole world, come and explore Doha. Wherever I go, I try to capture whatever I can. And some of my viewers have requested there much to vlog in Urdu as well. So I've decided not to do only in English language, but in Urdu as well. So guys, see you very soon at some other location. Till then, goodbye, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Your good name?
My name is Ezra.
Edra. You're from which country?
Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya.
Nairobi, Kenya. Oh, lovely place.
Yeah.
It's a home to different type of animals, wild animals,
Wild animals, game,
and greenery.
green environment.
Okay.
Nice
Thank
place.
you.
Nice place to visit.
Okay.
Okay, welcome.
Thank Bye.